Electronegation. When a covalent bond is formed between two homonuclear atoms, the shared pair of electrons of covalent bond lies exactly midway between the nuclei of two atoms, because both the atom may have same attraction for these electrons, and it will happen in the case of hydrogen, chlorine and fluorines. The electron pair remain exactly at half distance between the two nuclei in these cases. However, in case of dissimilar atoms, the electron pair may be closer to one atom than to the other. This is due to the fact that different atoms have different tendency to attract the bonded pair of electron toward itself. The tendency of an atom to attract the shared electron pair in molecule toward itself, it is called electronegativity. The different atoms have different tendency to attract the bonding electron pair toward themselves. Greater the ability of an atom to attract electron in bonded pair, larger the value of electronegativity. Unlike other atomic properties such as ionization energy and electron affinity, which are related to individual gaseous atoms, the electronegativity it is related to the atom in their bonded state. So there is no any direct method for measuring the electronegativity. However, various attempt has been made, and the most popular is the Pauling scale of electronegativity. In 1932, Linus Pauling was the first to propose the scale of electronegativity. He suggested that if two atoms A and B had the same electronegativity value, then the bond energy of AB, that is equal to the geometrical means of bond energy of AA and BB. So bond energy of AB, that is equal to bond energy of AA and bond energy of BB. This relation is based upon the fact that the bond between A2, B2 and AB, that is purely covalent. However, he observed that for most of AB bonds, the actual energy is more than geometrical means of the bond of energy EAA and EBB. This means that two participating atoms have different tendency to attract the shared pair electron, and in other words we can say that they are having different electronegativity. So that the bond AB will no longer is the covalent in nature. As a result, there is a contribution of structure A plus B minus in addition to pure covalent AB structures. The difference between actual bond energy of AB, that is EAB, and geometrical means of bond energy, which is known as excess bond energy and denoted by delta E, and mathematically it is given by delta E. It is the bond energy of AB and geometrical means of bond energy of AA and BB. The excess bond energy arises due to resonance between AB, that is the covalent structure, and A plus B minus, that is the ionic structure, and it is known as ionic resonance energy. So this one is the covalent structure and this one is the ionic structure, showing the resonance between them. In this case, B is more electronegative as comparison to A. So by calculating the value of delta E for different bonds, Pauling suggested following type of relationship: the electronegativity of two atoms, that is represented by chi A and chi B, and the excess bond energy delta E, that is related with these by this relation chi A minus chi B, that is equal to 0.18 delta E half, where delta E is the excess bond energy in kilocalorie per mole. So assigning an arbitrary value to one of element, the electronegativity of other element could be easily calculated. Pauling assigned the value of 4 to the most electronegative element, fluorine. So these are the various electronegativity that is calculated by Pauling. The main disadvantage of Pauling scale is that bond energy are not known with good degree of accuracy for many elements. So this one is the Pauling scale. Calculate the electronegativities. Then variation of electronegativity in periodic table. So first of all, variation in period. The electronegativity generally increase on moving across a period from left to right. This is primarily due to decrease in atomic size and increase in effective nuclear charges, due to which as we move from left to right, the effective nuclear charge increase and attraction for the incoming electron, that will also increase. So ultimately electronegativity, that is, increases. Variation of electronegativity in group. Electronegativity generally decrease from top to bottom in a group. As we move from top to bottom, the atomic size increase and the bonding electron become away from the nucleus, so that the attraction, that will going to decrease. The alkali metals of group 1 have lowest electronegativity, and the halogen of group 7 have the highest electronegativity in the periodic table.